Have you ever noticed something? Some women just wear a simple top and simple bottom, and yet they look expensive, elegant, and modern. And somehow your eyes just stop on them, and you can't stop looking at them, right? It's not about an expensive brand. It's not about having 100 of clothes in the cupboard. It's about knowing exactly which top to pick and how to style them. So, if you have ever owned 10 tops but somehow always reach for that same two, today's video is going to help you to change that thought process where we will going to discuss about capsule wardrobe top wear styling. And yes, before we begin, stay till the end because I am going to reveal one signature statement top that I personally feel is non-negotiable for every capsule wardrobe. If you skip it, you are going to miss that one piece that ties this whole video together. So just a short intro if you are new to this channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel The Style Equation. In this channel, we simplify fashion using logic, balance and real life practicality. Our focus is to create well-balanced look through thoughtful styling instead of blindly following trends. Here is what we will cover today. First, the different top pattern and designs you actually need and why each one should look different from the other, not the repeated one. Second, which bottom should go with which topper so your outfit looks balanced and not the random one. Third, how to pick a top based on the occasions you are dressing for. Fourth is about how to choose fabric for that topwear. And the last one is fifth one, the signature colors that have been trending and the one that will never go out of style. And additionally, the small accessories that complete a look. So let's get into it one by one. Let's start with the first one called topwear patterns and designs. I feel the biggest mistake most of us make is we buy 5 tops that basically look the same. Even I did the same during my initial days, same neckline, same fit, same vibes. And then we feel like we have nothing to wear even with a full cupboard. But after trying so many styling tips on topwear, I feel a proper capsule wardrobe doesn't work like that. Every single top should bring something different to the table. It could be small design change, color, but there is something different from the other tops. For example, one button-down shirt for that balanced and structured look, one wrap top for something soft and feminine look, one boxy or relaxed top for those lazy, comfortable days, one fitted top for a casual day, and maybe one top with a little details like a tie-up or a peplum or an interesting sleeves I can say. These small details add that personality to the overall outfit. Did you notice something here? None of the top were repeat to each other. That's the whole point, how to choose different patterns and designs of the top wear. Next is pairing tops with bottoms. Now here is where the real styling magic happens. Let's understand how pairing works with different type of bottom wear to create that balanced and elegant look. First one is a structured button-down shirts. In this case, tuck it into high-waisted trousers or a straight-fit pants which look instantly polished and elegant. Second is a soft wrap tops. Just pair it with a flowy skirts or a wide leg pants I can say, and it balances the softness beautifully. When I choose top wear, I usually focus on the designs of the neck and sleeves that differentiates the designs. Add one relaxed, maybe flowy tops like this. Here don't try to pair it with another loose bottom. As here I feel most people go wrong by pairing loose design top wear with loose design bottom wears, which will create that bulky and look shorter from your actual height. Instead pair it with something fitted like slim pattern or taper trousers I can say, so your silhouette starts looking in proportions and create that balanced look. Then the next is fitted tops works beautifully with denim, and that one detailed top with some uniqueness in sleeves or maybe tie-up top. In this case, let the top be the star. Here keep the bottom plain and simple to create a balanced look to the overall outfit. Remember one comparison rule. For example, structured top paired with flowy bottoms, flowy tops paired with structured bottoms. Your eyes naturally find that balance elegant even if sometimes I feel we can't explain why this happened. Now a quick question for you. Out of these, which top wear designs is your favorite one? I'm really curious to know. Type it down in the comment section now. I genuinely want to see your answers. Next is choosing tops by occasion. Not every tops works for every occasions, right? For example, for office or work meetings, your structured shirts or fitted top is your best friend. It says I am put together without trying too hard. Next, for a casual day out, coffee with friends, or even any travel plans, your relaxed boxy top or wrap top is a perfect combination. It is comfortable but still looks stylish. For a dinner or small celebration, the detailed top with a unique design element become your masterpiece. So the next time before buying any top to add to your capsule wardrobe, ask yourself one simple question. Where am I actually going to wear this? If you can't answer that clearly, according to me, just skip the buying for that moment. Next is how to choose fabrics. Now let's talk about something most people ignore completely, fabric. We often buy 10 tops in cheap, even I did in my earlier days, like synthetic fabric because they are affordable. But within 2 washes, they start losing shapes, the color fades, and they end up sitting unused at the back of the cupboard. Now I realized that was not the saving mentality. For me, that's even a bad investment. Instead, invest in fewer pieces but in good fabric. For shirts, especially go for linen or cotton. They are comfortable, easy to pair with any bottom wear, and most importantly, they look balanced, modern, and elegant, and best fit for any occasion if we styled it properly. And honestly, they just look more expensive even if the price is on the lower side. For example, one good linen shirt will outlast 5 cheap polyester one every single time. Remember the key hack in any product nowadays, especially in outfits, quality wins over quantity. So next time when you go for shopping, invest in topwear having good fabric quality. Now let's talk something about colors. Looking at the trends over the past year, I have few color suggestions in neutrals which can go with almost every bottom wear, and these are my favorite one as well. Soft pastel colors like sage green and dusty blue, warm neutrals like beige and camel, and of course classic white and black, which honestly I feel never go out of style. These are not just trending colors, these are the base of any wardrobe colors. They mix and match with almost everything you already own, which is exactly what a capsule wardrobe is supposed to do. Now the next one is how to complete your top wear style with accessories. The small details that complete your look with any top, which we discussed earlier, is nothing but accessories. For example, with a structured shirts, keep it minimal. Small stud or detailed chain in your neckline area works beautifully and complete your shirt look. With a wrap top, I would say slightly bolder necklace works beautifully because of the open neckline area. But make sure keep the jewelry minimal. So here we can skip the earrings and add a classic watch or a classic ring to complete the whole look. With your relaxed boxy top, layered minimal jewelry like a couple of thin chains, I would say. And for the detailed statement top, keep your jewelry almost invisible. Maybe just add a classic pair of earrings, I would say. But let the top feels as a star of the day. The rule is simple. If your top is loud, keep accessories quiet. If your top is simple, your accessories can speak a little louder. And now let's talk about that one statement piece which I promised you at the beginning. If there is one top in every capsule wardrobe must have, it's a well-fitted, good quality white shirts. Sounds simple, right? I know. But this one piece can go with office look, dinner day or any travel day. Paired with denim, trousers or even skirts. It's elegant on its own and quietly expensive looking without even trying too hard. Don't overthink and just have a pair of good quality white shirts in linen or soft cotton fabric. That's the magic of a true statement piece. It does more with less effort and time. And I must say, this is your style tip for the week. So, as we are wrapping up the video, let's discuss a short summary. We cover the top pattern you actually need, how to pair them with the right bottoms, picking tops by occasion, why fabric matters more than quantity, the colors that worth investing in, and the small accessories that can complete your whole look. Remember, a capsule wardrobe is not about having more, it's about having the right ones and styled it in a right way. In our next video, which is step 6, we are going deep into fabrics for both top and bottom wears and why buying cheap quality products on impulse is actually costing you more in the long run. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.